How long have you been doing robotics?
This is my first year.
Your first year?
First year.
And how did you get involved in your school's robotics program?
My brother has been in robotics for a long time, so he told me about what he does. So I was interested in joining robotics.
My sister actually did it. She actually came to Worlds for like 2 years, and that was just like a great inspiration because I didn't think like girls would actually be wanting to do this. So I was like, I should join and just try it out. And right now I'm loving it.
Why do you love robotics?
I love it because it really taught me how to work with a team and to never give up, because when I first entered, when I saw all these things, they looked unimaginable, but it really taught me that like really nothing is impossible.
It teaches you a bunch of experiences and like critical thinking. Like it just helps, I guess, with like a bunch of soft skills, and then you create so much experience and like bonds with friends.
I like the creativity of every new game, every season. I think it becomes a different challenge, and I think trying to overcome that challenge is a really cool aspect of it.
In a normal competition, you could see a pretty consistent design once people started developing more. But here, there's so much more diversity, especially among teams themselves. And there's a lot more diversity amongst the robots.
Now, as you were going through and you were making all these different changes, whether it was the drivetrain, the lifting mechanism, all of that, how were you able to do that while also keeping up with the coding aspect of it?
Well, teamwork. Just like different people doing different things. You can't do all that by one. Like, that's what's amazing. You work well as a team. Every person did something. Coding, building, driving, notebooks, talking to people, learning, like there is just so much to do.
So I first started in robotics when I was a freshman in high school, and right now I'm a third-year industrial design student at Rochester Institute of Technology. Community was one of the largest parts of my VEX and REC Foundation experience. It's a really wonderful way to apply the skills that you're learning in the classroom to real-world settings, gain a lot of knowledge that you wouldn't normally get in school, specifically with interviewing and meeting with judges and really wonderful people who end up really increasing your skills overall. Over the course of my high school career, I had the opportunity to be a student ambassador. I was able to speak at one of the sponsored dinners, and again, just continue to speak on my interactions that I've had in the program and what a wonderful impact it's had on my future.
What would you tell a new student who's just getting started in robotics?
I would say, even though like things might not be working right away, even if you try and try again and it's not working still, eventually you'll find that sweet spot and it'll work.
Start with something, anything, literally anything. If it is just putting 4 wheels on a little metal thing, like it is something. And from there, you'll just imagine different things. You'll look at different people and you'll just get ideas.
When something feels impossible or you can't accomplish it, there's always a way to figure out that it is possible. You will figure out the outcome to it if you actually try your hardest.